Hi everybody, this is Tyler from YChina and today we are at The Hutong. We're going to be making some delicious dumplings with Chef Michelle.
Hi Tyler.
Hey Michelle.
Welcome to The Hutong.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. You ready to make some dumplings?
Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
So let's say hi to the rest of the team here to make dumplings. Hi
Are
everyone.
you excited? Are you excited?
Let's make dumplings. Okay, so we're going to be doing a lot of things today. We're going to make the dough from scratch. We're going to do 2 fillings. We're going to do a meat, a pork and lotus fruit. We're also going to do a vegetarian one. So taking the liquid, not the tea, not the tea, and then pouring half the bowl, at least half, right, into that well, and then using one hand to start folding and mixing. Remember what direction? The same continuous direction. Okay, I'm gonna supervise quality control. Oh my god.
So I'm doing the jiaozi skin right now. I don't know if the consistency is too right, but I'm kneading it. So let's see how it goes.
Any more liquid? No more water for you. Okay, good.
Leute fühlen, wie der sich anpassen.
Yep, so then, okay, chefs, now you should have a dough ball, right? You don't want to give your mother-in-law any more reason to, yell at you. So, really use that to wipe up all that, so you can feel maybe the inside of the dough ball is a bit sticky, right? So you can use that to really pick up all those yogurts and really kind of scrub it back.
Ja.
Now, it's not so much about the pressure, guys. Actually, the more times you rotate, the better your dough will be. So after 1 or 2 minutes, see how my dough is starting to look smooth?
Remember me, I make some noodles here.
Yes, same.
It's the same, right?
Yeah. Okay, chefs, please start with the leek first. Chop it into 2 halves, julienne, or cut them into thin strips, and finally chop as small as you can.
So right now I have a leek and I have a bit of ginger and I'm going to chop these up very finely. I hear that you should use this part of the knife. Very careful, this is my first time using a big cleaver. So we'll see how it goes. Okay.
Das Gemüse festhalten. Ja, sie hat gesagt nein. So. Dann schneide ich meinen Finger ab.
It's quite scary actually. It's much scarier than the instruction made it look like.
Okay, nice job guys. So you should have your leek already onto the plate. Okay, so really, if you got any big pieces, make sure it's really finely chopped. So next one, we're going to put in the soy sauces. So light soy sauce for taste and flavor. Now, let's do it the Chinese way. I'm not going to measure it. So a 1-2 is equal to 1 big spoon. 1 of the big tablespoons. So 1, 2. I want 2 more. 2 more. A total of 3 tablespoons. You get that?
Yes.
Das war 2,
So 1 tablespoon.
A 1-2. Der Blick ist auch nicht schlecht.
Okay, 1-2 of the
Light,
light soy sauce. It's not gonna hurt anybody if it's too much, okay? Ready? Yeah? Okay, that's it. And then one more time?
No, you got 3 total.
Okay.
Oh,
Whoa!
this is okay. This is why I say like each side is going to take
Okay,
it.
what's this?
Okay, it's time to mix. Now what direction?
Comme ça.
It does the same continuous.
Many flows.
Yep, off you go.
For some reason, I'm just so tentative.
No,
When you tell me to do something.
don't worry. You're in good hands. That's why I put you next to you.
Good.
So we're going to taste. Yes.
Seasoning the meat. 1.5 teaspoons of sugar.
Salt.
Salt. Salt. I think, yes, it's enough nice people here. It's already sweet enough.
Teresa, you're gonna do the soy sauce. Let's put in 3 tablespoons. Whoa, there was only 1.
Oh, that was a small one.
So mix, guys. Mix.
It's also
Okay.
water.
So, what I am doing now is get in there. Really mix it vigorously, guys. We do not use a fork in Chinese.
Not even holding back. This is,
No, we don't use a fork. So I'm just adding some
not
water.
holding back.
Get in there. Really get in there and mix it up. Okay, so I'm adding water. Now you can use a stock. That's going to add more flavor to the meat. We're just using plain water. And the reason why we're adding water is this is going to keep the filling soft and juicy. Yeah. If you don't add liquid, the meat ends up being really hard. Next is I want you to chop it in half. Poor thing, yeah. And then half goes back under the cook.
It seems quite sticky, actually.
Yeah.
Very, very sticky. Okay.
Yeah.
Down the middle. Yes. Good.
Okay, next step is now I'm just using this so you can see what the next step. We're going to roll out our dough.
And how long do you want to get these things?
It doesn't matter because it depends.
I don't know what that's. I don't know why that's. Why is that funny? Why is that? Oh no! Come on, please.
Is it on the movie?
Yeah. That was a question for the vlog.
It's a very good question. It doesn't matter because because your half could be bigger than my half.
Okay.
Right? The point is we want to get it so it's a little bit thinner than the width. Yeah.
So right now we're just cutting about 1 inch, and then yes, I think that might be the right way.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Okay.
Okay. Now it's.
Okay. Once you've done that, cleave this off to the side. Okay.
Yes. Actually, it'd be great if you just give me the demo and I can ask you some a lot of obvious questions.
Sure. So then
Okay.
set at the bottom.
Yes.
Roll it halfway. Roll it down. You remember the slow the turn.
Ich mag es.
Around it.
Kam dann so hin, als die dann
Okay, great. So, and that's it. That's just super simple. Look at that. Nobody would believe that I did this. Nobody would. Finding that these guys are so much more plasticky than the ones you get at the store.
Yep.
Yeah.
Because of the edges. So you can see this front off the right and then right to the middle.
Oh, wait.
Die Form dann nicht mehr so sehr
That's almost like
am
the
Ende.
whole
Yeah.
Very cool.
Hips like this.
Like,
So right to so now you can see how around.
that looks beautiful.
So sicher.
It's like, it looks like something I got in something.
Yeah. Extra one. Okay. Then we're gonna do the pan fried ones.
I'm super excited.
Okay, so grab one.
Yeah, okay.
So you just make sure
Are we doing all this now, or are we? Okay.
So just start with the green. So now I've got all the dumplings in. So I've I've got some hot water here. So what we're going to do now, we're going to cover the dumpling so it's 3/4 of the way up. Okay? Now if these were frozen, like I said, you just add more water on top. So here, what I'd like you to do,
Okay, should I go in the middle or just?
order it around, so basically until it reaches 3/4 of the way up.
So, I have a question. What is,
Down the side here, a little more. There you go, okay. So here we've got hot boiling water.
it's only water.
Yep, boiling water. So, hi, Teresa. Hello. Gina. Yep, put the dumplings in, please.
Just move that one, throw it in there.
Gently.
Maybe I can put them on this and then
This is
No.
not the Chinese
Get it?
way.
Just gently, rather than throwing, maybe you can just
Oh, muss
gently.
die weiter unten sein?
So what they'll do, a few more.
When they
Plenty.
come up?
So this was hot boiling water. Once you put anything in, the boiling stops. Right? So I'm just going to put a lid on it. We're going to bring the dumplings back to boil. Now we've got vinegar and we've got soy and we've got a homemade chili oil and we've also got a homemade cabbage. So one of them.
So this is the final product. This will be the tin, one that we fry. So you can see on the bottom there is a little bit of crisp. And it does look quite tasty, so I'm going to have the first bite of the night. I haven't eaten it so pleased. That's delicious. Absolutely delicious.